Yo, you saying?
Oh, it came out the low. I see what you got going on there.
Suicide.
Yeah.
Fucking over leveraged as shit. I'm fucking terrified of oil, but for some reason I got a good handle on it.
It's not bad.
Yeah, like I caught this gap right here. Fuck off. Where is it? One sec here. Here we go.
See that pad.
So fucking, I got in a week, and it went up to here. Put my account like negative fucking $55 in the hole out of my $80. Like I was redlining the whole time. I couldn't believe it. And then it came down, and it went oh my fucking buy, and it was like at $34 right here by Friday, and this happened.
Yeah,
and I was at $200, so I closed.
Opened up.
Yeah, man.
I put you back.
I closed. You're. It's funny because you're like pray to the trading gods.
Yeah, that shit put you right back in business.
It really did. And then I was going to play this move up, but I didn't actually. I didn't play it at all. I actually got in, I believe, right here again for another up, and I took it up to here and got out quick for another $100. That was this morning. And then I watched it go down, and I seen this fucker, and all this bullshit happened. I think I got in right here. So then it took, what's that, $41.76. Not bad.
Right.
So, yeah.
I'll see, the thing is with this, and I know you can already see it because you already got that challenge drawn.
Yeah.
On crude.
I do. But this zone right here is really strong.
Yeah, it's a heavy rejection zone.
I think we can come up here and get another bounce.
Now the problem is we just throw a lower low though, and if you just see if we came off the high, if you just look right here off the high, you can see that right shoulder right there. It's a lower high, dude.
Yeah. So
that's the thing with this.
That's.
So I will be looking, honestly, when you get back up high again, I will be looking for the short because you can already see that there's a shoulder coming up. You're just going to make a shoulder right here. Hold on, let me grab your screen. Let's see if I can see. Can you give me privileges? Do you know how to do that? So I already see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Busy, what's up?
Like I'm only taking this.
I'll do one done.
Up to here, but dude, like, what the fuck is that? That's like fucking $107 if I get it up to, you know what I mean? 106.
This is market going to allow oil to get back up
That's
there.
Real,
I don't think
that's real fucking money.
I don't think it's getting back up there. I'm busy. What's up? I am busy. I told you this. Bye.
I'm in a meeting. What's up?
Bye. I don't. I'll do it.
Yeah,
I'm busy.
Why? What are you doing?
Yeah, please.
Congratulations.
Jesus.
That's amazing. Good job.
Yeah, I see this thing. Very good.
Rob, hold up. I'll be right back.
Go ahead, man.
Yeah. I'm talking to Rob. Fuck guy, the fucking trader. Fucking guy. In the oil. Up and down and up and down and up and down. It's really fucking dope. That's awesome. That's great to hear. So that means you can Yeah. 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 All right, I'm gonna let you. All right, I'm gonna let you go though. I'll call you back. All right, bye. Don't want to talk to you right now.
What up, man?
There we go. Problem is my screen's over here.
Yeah, I got the same problem. I put my webcam over here because I got everything in front of me. I was like, fuck.
No, my laptop
I
is
don't want
fucking
my
destroyed.
webcam blowing all. I'm sitting here looking at screens. Let's see what you got going on with oil there.
It's been fun, man. It's been a fun couple days.
Open up Euro NZD.
Yeah.
I know we probably these are pairs that I'm gonna have everybody trade pairs.
Do you want to take over? You should take over. Do you want to take over the screen?
Go to Euro Odd first. I want to show you something.
Okay.
Now I'm going to show you something that's just on impulse. All right, whenever you catch it, whenever there's like an NZD move or an Aussie move, one's going to follow the other. So right now we had the Aussie dollar last night slammed down on that impulse move because of the interest rate decision. So now the Euro NZD is going to do the same fucking thing tonight. See that big ass bear candle?
Right.
So Euro NZD.
This big fucking candle right here. Yeah.
That whole candle. Euro NZD is going to get a similar move. Probably not as large as this because Euro World is a very volatile pair. And probably threw about 100 pips there. But I'm expecting at least 60, 70 pips on the Euro NZD. Same thing with
just in the impulse.
I'm trading the impulses on it because this is a one-way move. It's going to bounce up and it's going to hammer down.
Right.
So you got to be away. You got to be away from the market enough to stay away from that first bounce, but close enough to get in profit. That's why I'm telling everybody to read that. Look at that previous hour candle. I'm going to show them when they get on here at 9:45. I got all the NZD pairs up. I don't know if we're going to get the full big impulse of the Aussie move last night, but we're going to get a similar move.
Rob, honestly, I only want to play one.
All right, well, honestly, if you want to go with one with the tightest spread and you're looking for a bull move, you're going to look for NZD USD. Be simple because you won't be stuck in NZD JPY, right? Because at any given time, the fucking stock market drops, then that can hit south. So you got that.
Right. I think I'm already involved. in NU on my other account. Hang on a second. Let me load Hugo's.
Yeah, you might want to be starting to look for a long on that bitch.
I'm pretty sure I'm already long on that bitch. Hang on a second. It's just got to load. Holy fuck, it's so slow. Yeah. I fuck $15, man, for the paid subscription, and I get 24 hours like of Zoom time. That's great per fucking meeting.
Yeah.
Come on, load.
Should takes forever. Yeah, NZD JPY. That's going to pop up. That's definitely going to be a long move.
Yeah.
These are going to be like this is me taking probably a little over $400 and just going all in, just cause.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just showing the impulse on it's exchange rate. So whatever the Aussie does, the NZD is basically going to do because they're basically.
Yeah, I'm in a buy right now for NU.
And
I'm in NU buy right.
You can see that leg is stalling for a pullback. That second leg down right there for that double bottom is stalling for a pullback. It wants to go back up. It's going to pop up.
Yeah.
It's going to jump up for 50 pips easy right there.
Right.
So if you want to catch that impulse, you just go to the hourly candle. We're already on the hourly candle right now. We're on all the new hourly candles for NZD USD.
That's the last hour right there.
All right, so now we just go to, we know it's going up.
Mm-hmm.
It's already on.
It's already doing it.
It's already pulling up.
It's already on its way. Yeah, it's not going to come back down. It's just going to go.
Mm-hmm. It's going to bounce down. It's going to bounce down and then jump up. Is what it's going to do.
You think?
So, yeah, it's going to bounce down a little bit like a slingshot. It's going to pull back, like it's going to jolt and then bounce down and then jump up. So if you want to get
here's our 5 minute. Let's go to 15. That's too fucking sketchy. Here we go. It's 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. This is the level right here. It's fucking struggling with it.
Yeah, it's going to go. If you see that, look left right there. That was the impulse yesterday of it trying to be correlated with the Aussie dollar move. That big ass candle to the left right there on the 15. But this candle's going to be larger when it happens. You see how it pulled back and then slingshot it up? It's going to be larger than that when it does it, but it's going to happen.
Right. So you're thinking down somewhere like this and then just fucking.
Yeah, it's going up for about
moonshot.
50 pips. Yeah, it's going to go up about 50 pips. It's going to close this gap right to the left. If you look at that gap right over there in 15 minutes, it's going to go above that plus 20 pips. That's what I'm expecting on that NU.
Oh, this gap. Yeah. I see it. Fuck. Right here, you mean? Okay. So let's see.
That's the candle. That was the move from yesterday, and that was the gap right there. So I'm expecting it to basically cover all rounds because when it did that move yesterday, now it has a bunch of shorts in now. Now it doesn't want all those fucking shorts in because it had that corrective move yesterday because it jumped up and then a bunch of people sold it down and everybody's in profit. So I'm expecting it to drag down, hit them stops for the people that are long. It's going to hit everybody's stops, and then it's going to jump all the way back up. Long. It's going to bounce down and then jump long, and then it's going to correct back down after this move is over with. Now you got NZD USD always trades slow. It's always choppy. Right. It's always choppy and slow. But as soon as news hits on that son of a bitch, it's fucking rocket ship. Always has been.
Oh, I know, man. It's like, it's like AAN is fucking.
Yeah, with Aussie and
it does, man. It just goes like straight up over and straight down.
It's a fucking nightmare.
Yeah, Aussie Kiwi. It's fucking crazy. I know.
It's something else.
It really is a fucking nightmare. Oh, look, Hugo's decided to load. The fucking time.
It takes forever.
There we go. Yeah, this is where my gold trade is.
Yeah. You still got that right on that?
Oh, fuck yeah. I'm running on that for a long time.
Still getting that.
That's gone, man. That's gone. That's going to break this fucking wedge. It's fucking out of here. We're going to 1, 2, 3 highs gone. This one. It's already about to break this one. So, yeah. I'm anticipating gold to be up. Yeah. I was saying 1,300. I was saying 1,300, but now that I look at it, it's bigger. Like our main supports, our main resistance now is right here. So I think it'll be awesome. I'm gonna let that run. If it comes back down and hits out, it hits out. Whatever. But I think this is it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, push. That's usually how it works. It's usually how it works. It does 4 tests and then pushes off the 4th test, and but. Where we need volume, right? That's when I start looking at the accumulation distribution, making sure. But like, this thing is saying fucking bullish all day.
Definitely.
It's crazy. What else was I in? I was in. Here's AU. I'm in AU. I'm hoping that fucking takes off like a rocket. I think it's gonna. I really hope it doesn't come back down and hit those stop losses. I'm fucking pissed off if it does. I mean, this is sketchy as shit.
What?
But this hasn't happened yet. Swiss yen.
Yeah, you gotta watch for the NZD USD move. And the Swiss yen, you gotta watch for that shit too. You gotta watch for those yen pairs, man.
Yeah.
Right now it's fucking.
I'm gonna buy right now. It's gonna. Well, yeah, I know. It's a fucking Dow. Eh? It's just fucking shit up, man. Anyways, here's the NU move. So let's go to here. This is the one I'm already in. So, and you know, it's not in profit. It's only at 22 cents. It's like nothing. It's not doing anything special. But I think you're right. It's going to come down first.
Well, it's going to open.
Yeah,
Spreads
right.
are going to open up, and it's going to jump down all the way, and then it's going to come and slingshot all the way back up to their 200 period MAs here.
Yeah. Yeah. So one sec here. Channel Pro. Why the fuck is it blue? It's better. Yeah. This been going like fuck, man. This move is huge. Huge. If this goes the way I think it's gonna go, like yeah, the impulse is gonna be 50 pips, but the main move's 600. More than that. Even to here, even if you get to here. Fucking 3,400 pips is the high. That's fucking wild.
Yeah, I'm just setting this thing up now on GBP
I was fucking.
I'm honestly loading up to either we're making a fuck ton of money or we're just going to go home. That's how that's going to play out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
I want
it's
you to share your screen. Like I said, I'm already in it, so I'm just gonna let this play it right out. Like I'm just, you know, everything I'm in right now is pretty good except for Tesla.
While you're sharing your screen.
Tesla shit the bed. What's that?
Tesla shit the bed on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have got out on that one.
I know I should have, but fucking. So here's Tesla here. Well, you know what? It hasn't shit the bed yet.
Right.
It's still bullish. It's still bullish on every fucking thing I have. So it's just a pullback, I think. I got in too late. I should have got in down here with the double bottom. But man, you're right. It's a fucking low. Like it's a low. Look how low it is. And then it just does this little breakthrough and comes right back in. That's your fake out, right?
Yeah.
But then again, it's a stock, so like let's, you know.
I'll take a quick break, so I gotta come back up in here and load up the screen. Stop your screen share real quick so I can share mine. You can share the link in the group. I don't know if you want me to take over your channel shit real quick, but
yeah.
Share my screen.
There you go.
Well, that's GBP NCT right now.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's going to be like that on everything. That's going to be for the sell. I'm not going
You're like that.
That's just me just starting
so listen,
now.
It's
either going to be all or nothing.
So,
it's going to leave me enough to get out.
So if it slams through them, yeah, but don't you get slippage?
You can get slippage, but that's the whole point. You're not going to hit every order. That's the thing. It's slippage. You're not.
All these orders aren't going to.
They're not all
fucking blast off.
Not all the orders are going to fill. Only about 3 of them will fill on that. That's whole bit.
Right. Okay. See, I thought I was doing something wrong. When I started stacking, stacked like 20 and like 4 of them hit. I was like, what the fuck? It was a UCAD move, man. I had like 20 orders stacked. I was like, oh yeah, it's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
I played that interest rate decision fucking beautifully.
Yeah, definitely. All right, I'll be right back so I can fucking get all this thing stacked up.
Yeah, I'm going to go smoke a bong real quick.
All right.
And then I'll invite the Titan group.
Trying to help you out. I told you.
Start video. All right. This is going to be intense. It's going to fucking explode. I can't believe how much this is going to explode. Just wild. Oil's still going. I don't think it's going to go that high, but fuck, man. Let me see. Fucking oil keeps going. Unbelievable. Same with gold. Fucking no stopping. It's funny. I say I'm in debt with CJ and all of a sudden.
Gotcha. I'll get it when I'm done. All right.
Vince's fucking Jeff is epic. Where the fuck is everybody? I'm gonna have to join it.
Share this link. Got the invitation.
I got it.
Joe dropped in group. Get these guys set up so they're not bothering me.
Look, see?
Fuck, what am I on? Alright, there we go. That is going there. Raise it low. Everything there. Fuck me, not again. Of the high of that candle, of the previous candle right there. MSD, GP, I'm going to go a little bit higher. It's taking off. It's just going to be great on a new fucking candle, too. I wish it was 12:30 like last night. That would fucking helped. Or it would give me that candle to bounce off of. Now I got jump in here, set the standard, so I can drag and drop it up there. So stop, keep that down there low. As soon as that motherfucker goes all the way up, I'm dragging and dropping that standard on GBP NZD, catching a large sell down. All right, everything on here is going to be 0.90s if I can get one in. Trading, sell stop. Let me blow this up a little bit. Let's go down to the 15-minute.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I can get my sell
And you
stops.
taking off already.
I always hate doing this before the fucking news.
People are already entering. You can see.
What, on here?
NU. Are you on NU?
No, not yet. I'm just setting market orders like a nut. See what gets filled and what doesn't. My main focus is going to be on GBP NZD.
Yeah, you think that was going to move the most?
Well, that's going to be from sell, yeah. That's what I'm expecting from the most.
It's already selling
What's up, Brooks?
down.
What's good?
You're below.
I don't even want to know if I want to enter this yet. I do. I want to see what the fucking US 30 is doing. And then to do JPY. Oh, we got plenty of time. Fuck, I don't watch the box. I want all these.
Fuck me. And you just went right into that zone.
Yeah, I don't like any.
Oil
Yeah.
still, fucking oil still climbing.
All right, NCD JPY is going to be long as shit.
I'm milking this, man. Fucking here goes margin. I should close. Let's close this.
I don't know what's going to get filled and what's not. So My main focus is about to be on GBP NZD.
Right.
Which it should be. And you want to keep this all like that. Drop this down. Euro NZD, I like a lot too. I'm hoping it doesn't rattle, but that's what it is. I just want to see this fucking thing all the way up and then slam all the way down.
NU. You're not entering NU, eh?
I don't, and you right now, I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting honestly for 9:55, and then you're going to see fucking so many orders on my screen. You're going to think I got Tourette's. It's probably going to take me 2-3 minutes to exit out of these fucking orders when it hits.
You don't have a.
Oh, and you're starting to pull back.
The close all button's not working for me. None of them are working for me. Even my two old EAs for close all button weren't working.
That's fucking bullshit. That close all thing. It's never worked for me.
I don't know why the EAs aren't working for me. I tested it earlier. Yeah, go up, motherfucker.
That D Rana girl is using an EA right now, eh?
Oh no.
Oh my god, oil is just on a fucking tear.
Let's see if I can fucking drop some 120s in this motherfucker. Let's see if it's gonna hit some standards.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drop like a fucking 3 on the fucking impulse when it happens.
Nah, you ain't gonna be able to get. You're not gonna be able to get the impulse of this motherfucking thing. You're gonna have to have orders set before it happens. So you're gonna have to have orders set before this shit happens.
Okay.
I'm letting you know. It's just going one way and one way hard.
Then I only want
like bounce and then it's going to hammer. You're not gonna have time to click the button. You're going to get off quotes. That's why you have to set market orders, unless you're trading the correction, which will be after the impulse of all this. Go ahead, motherfucker. Get everybody the opposite direction. Go ahead, do it. Getting all carried away with all these fucking orders in before it's on.
You're turning into a robot. What the fuck? I can't hear you anymore. It's my fault, probably. I got too much running. I'm gonna shut down Trader's Way. Or is that where I want it? No, I'll just let that run. Trader's Way.
Why do I want to dump NU so bad? For some reason, I don't want to trade it. I really don't want to fucking trade that for some reason.
You just don't want to. You don't want to trade NU.
I don't know why.
What, you think the fucking U.S. dollar is going to overpower it?
No, I just don't.
Come on.
No, I just don't have too much going on. I already got way too much going on.
Yeah,
you do have way.
Trust me. Once I start moving around like 9:55, it's going to be way too much. Because I'm going to have orders that are going in here.
Yeah, once that thing starts rocking, like I'm going to have to shut down one of my trading things for this to even fucking handle it.
Yeah, you might want to jump out of one of yours and figure out what platform you're going to trade off of. Now, you see how we're right here? Oh, yeah, man, that's fucking beautiful. Give me that candle close. As soon as that candle close happens, that next.
Well, my Trader's Way account is that my Trader's Way account I was at 400 and something. My Hugo's one, the equity is at 62. The balance is only 33 though. So I'm gonna be literally using my margin to do this. I'll do it on Hugo's.
Yeah, now I can see them all a lot better.
On GVP NVD, I'm gonna shut this one down. I'll shut down Trader's Wave. I'm just scared too because that's where my oil trade is, and if that fucking goes south real quick, I'm gonna be pissed. Although I guess I could
right here.
I could watch it on my phone, so I'm good that way. I can do that. I'm in an oil on the other one too, but it's only a 0.01. But knowing it's at like $4.90 tells me my other one's almost at 100. Rob, this is gonna be wild.
Tie one on tonight. I haven't tied one on Forex in a long time. You're on NZD. Look at that motherfucker.
It's gonna be ones and then be on there.
Hopefully, keep trading that opposite direction. This motherfucking sun. I don't know what's going to get filled and what's not, to be honest with you. That motherfucker right there. I'm going to start fucking sell stacks underneath that bitch. It's out of handle. You can hear everybody dropping fucking orders like we're on meth. Quick break and I'm coming back. Hopefully someone, I don't understand. If I had an extra $100, I'd have jumped on this shit. Even though I just told everybody how to trade this basically.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. I don't think all these orders will hit, but I kind of want the 3 and the 4 to hit.
Well, I gotta see something as well. Let's see how much is that. It's gonna be from there up and then impulse down. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. To the 200. Everything's going to the 200. That's why I'm telling you, every single one of these markets.
On what? On what time frame?
On the hourly. All going to go to the 200. I'll be right back.
On the hourly? No. Is that what you're saying on the hourly? That's a huge fucking move if that happens. Huge. Brooksy, are you playing this?
Oh yeah. I'm in the lab right now.
Huh?
But I'm in the lab, the little forensics lab thing.
Okay.
See, I got my chart up on the TV over there, across the room. It's all the little kids in the lab next door. All the little kids in the lab next door can see it. There's a really hot girl sitting over there, actually. I'm gonna make some money. Go flex. Let's go.
All right. It's going to be fun in a second.
Yeah.
All right. So now we got 90s. Watch that.
Dude, you were. How's it even gonna enter those when you've only got $400 in your account and you're not running a bonus or anything?
What, this?
Yeah.
It'll run. It's not going to hit every order. That's the reason why I got all these orders.
Right.
Yeah,
I'm only expecting like probably 1/3 of these orders to get filled.
Right.
Because I know they're going to fuck with the liquidity and you're going to say, oh, blah, blah, blah.
You're dragging the one up to follow it?
What?
Your standard?
Yeah, the standard here is going to be my drag and drop. See how I set the order and I don't click the button for the order? I drag and drop. I don't click the button because drag and drop, it settles into the market. It'll accept it. If you try to click the button, you're going to get off quotes because the spread's going to be doing this.
Right. Right.
And I'm expecting spread's going to open up. It's going to open up. It's going to bounce down and then shoot the fuck up and then slam down. The spread's going to open up. Yeah, exactly. Just like that. It's going to open up, bounce down a little bit, skyrocket up, and then slam down on GBP NZD and Euro NZD. Exactly what I'm expecting.
Right.
What's up, Vince? I know your mic's off, but I know you're here, man.
What up, Rob?
I'm waiting for like 9:55, closer to 10 o'clock. These spreads are going to start opening up. NZD JPY is going to be nice because the Dow is actually starting to trend up right now. It's trading up. So if you want to take NZD JPY long, from where it's sitting at, let's see.
I'm taking GN short.
Taking GN short because everything's far away from that fucking 200 right now. Now, GN, you got to understand, it's got the largest spread out of all these. It's almost 2.2 pips, 2.3. So it's going to open up to 13, 14 pip spread. So whatever lot size you're going in with, right? So whatever your account size is, you got to make sure your lot size is appropriate for that so you can handle the volatility of the spread shaking. So, the broker doesn't say, fuck you.
Right. So, yeah.
Dragging these orders up. I'm getting a little crazy with this one. Let's do 2020s on this bitch all the way here. It's going to fill these sell stops all the way through here.
Holy shit. This is going to be crazy, dude. Bro, I bet you an admin is like watching your shit right now and it's just like, dude. I guarantee you some fucking admin.
Fucking pissed right off.
Oh, they're pissed. They get pissed when they see me do this. They know it.
Oh, dude, they're watching you right now, dude. Some admin's watching you right now.
Guaranteed. That's why I'm so far away from the market. But they already know my idea.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they can see your pending orders, can't they? Like every transaction that you enter, they can see that, yeah?
Well, everything that's going to get hit is going to be different. You're not going to like it.
Like in their back office, like they can see
Mm-hmm.
what you're trading, yeah?
Mm-hmm. They're going to see who's going crazy. It's either I'm going to make $4,000 or I'm going to lose $400. It's that simple. It's simple.
I mean, it's true. You're right. Like,
It's not. It's just what it's going to be. I'm not going to sit here and trade the news, and this is not one of those things where I'm like, I want to make $100. This is I'm either making $4,000 or losing $400, and I don't give a fuck because, I do give a fuck, but
you don't. You can't give a fuck.
You can't. You can't. Like fucking tomorrow's another day, another $400 fucking dollars. Go trade it back up.
Right.
If they're going to give it to me, they're going to give it to me. If they're not, not. Some of the shit, they might not even fill this shit. They might just might just blow right past all of it.
Yeah,
I've
seen that happen. It'll gap over it.
Uh-huh. Because when it has this much, that's why I spread out all these orders so far, in case it gaps, because it might touch 2 at the top and then gap all the way through them. That's why I'm waiting. Like 9:55 is when I'm gonna start tucking shit close to this market.
Which is in 30 seconds.
Whatever gets filled, gets filled. Whatever doesn't, doesn't.
Yeah, it's gonna be wild.
I think you guys just get on to see me do crazy shit.
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah.
Trust me, I definitely want to see it.
I guess you guys are so used to seeing me do crazy shit. It's just like, all right, let's record it this time.
Yeah.
Let's record this shit. Yeah.
All you motherfuckers are so used to me doing this shit. All right, we're gonna record them again.
Fucking nuts.
I'm staying away from that hourly candle.
That's watching this shit, man.
I'm staying right away from it. All right, so let's put this tuck down here. I don't want to do that yet. 0.40s. Trading. Stops. They're gonna be so fucking pissed at this move.
This is hilarious, dude.
Well, I know everything's not gonna get filled, so I'm just whatever with it, you know, at this point. All right, so now we're going to get moves all the way up against the market, and we're going to start trailing these motherfuckers up. Spread's getting open. You shall see, fellas. We're getting there.
Let's go, boys.
Getting there. All right, so we got a standard on that. 21 euro NZD. NZD not too crazy. Let's go all the way up.
$400 account. Wow.
Hey Rob, your charts look like a superstar demo trader.
I know, right? It looks like a fucking video, but we know it's live. No, I'm staying away from the market.
Crazy, man.
Yay. Spread's starting to open up on these fucking breaks. Actually need fucking a few more lots of this motherfucker just cause. Do it. Get her going.
Alrighty then.
Do it.
50 seconds. Hope you guys are ready for this. Oh, she's shaking. Oh, she was shaking.
Oh, good
Everything
thing.
ran opposite.
Let's go. Ooh-wee.
Look at that. That's why I keep away from the market.
Let's go. That's why we do that, dude. Fuck yeah. I'm canceling all my pendings.
Everything ran the opposite way.
That sucks.
Opposite way on everything, baby.
Yep. Ass fucking opposite direction. And I believe that was working.
Stay away from the market.
What was the number that came out? Anybody see it?
That would have been an easy short from that top. Why didn't I do that?
I always play off that fucking candle in the alley. Impossible. Let me go see, because that should not even occur. Let me see. They ran it the opposite direction. Made sense. Guess there's that many people fucking short.
All right, that's that. See you later,
Yep.
fellas.
Oh, good.
Let me see what the fucking price correction is going to be like, though. Hold on. Look at the price correction on this on the 1 minute.
It's going to correct. It's going to come back.
I know it's going to come back, but it shot up over 200 fucking pips, dude.
I know. Unbelievable.
It's insane.
Wonder what happened to my other fucking account. Oh, shit, man.
Yeah, your other accounts screwed.
I forgot I had a shorted on GN on FX Glory that I put in earlier, and it's like
Fuck, man. What the fuck just fucking happened?
Oh, did they catch your order?
NJ, negative $16.
Ooh.
It'll come back
I'm telling you, it's
tomorrow.
going to come back down. It's going to crack. Huh?
It'll be back.
It's going to come back down right now.
It's correct. Nothing's changed.
Did anything change?
Nothing's changed.
What was the number? 0.
It's 1.5. Conservative
Yeah,
number is
right
1.5. Previous 1.5, so it came back weaker.
Well, it did change a bit.
Hey, well, it was either going to be all or nothing. That's a lot. That's a lot to the upside. Fucking 200 pips in a fucking 30-second fucking move. Not even. I think there's a win. That's why you just can't click the button and go in. Fuck that. Close. I guarantee some asshole clicked the button and probably would trade it in our direction instead of fucking setting orders, like I said. Kory.
I didn't. Well, I left. I forgot that I had left an order in there. It almost blew my FX Glory account. I started with like $19.
I had an order.
It was up to
I had an order in there too. I have NJ in there, so
my FX Glory is down to $23, so it's fine.
and I had an NU. I had an NU one. So. But whatever. I'm in the negative. Like, it'll come back.
Dude, UCAD's about to fall off the table.
I haven't checked anything. Hold
I mean, it's going to go down to that little line down there. It's an easy little short. Make my money back. I lost not paying attention and leaving my fucking GN.
All my other orders are safe.
on. Every single order.
You still safe.
Opposite. Every order ran opposite. It's fucking insane.
You could have shorted that top. You could have dropped a fat standard on that top. Just click the button. I was so close, and I just didn't.
Yeah, but how the fuck is the market going to correct? It went up 200 pips. How's it going to correct? You know what I mean?
It's going to correct.
It's insane. It's just corrected over 100 pips down, dude.
Yeah, literally.
It's that was $1,000. It better not retest that high. If it goes up and retests that high, I'm shorting again. I'll drop.
Dude, oh my god, I'll drop my whole $800 account on that.
If it goes back up at any time to double top this, I'm fucking selling this back down.
Look, watch what it's about to do. You see that long wick on the bottom and the M1, dude?
It's going back up. It's going to go back up and retrace and then come back down. It doesn't want all these shorts in at all. The spread's wide open still. 4 pips. 150. Don't go back up, because I know you're going back down. Get down to this fucking trade. This just broke out to a new low. Oh, there's the low right there. Oh, it doesn't close below. Damn. This is going to be a really volatile day on these pairs. Oh, don't go back up. Don't even think about going back up.
It's going to do it, watch.
I know it's going to. There's too much of an impulse for that shit just to... I haven't seen a 200 pip move. That's over 200.
218 pips, man.
Yep, it's about 218. If this fucking corrects for 218 all the way back down, that's insane.
Yeah.
Guaranteed if you open up an Aussie pair, it's going to look fucking weird as shit. Yep, look at the Aussie. Look at that shit. Slammed down. 20 pips. Back up. Here into D. Man. You're really actually going back up, aren't you?
Let's go, dude. Follow me, dude.
Nothing's changed, so why is price up there? That's just, you're stupid to do that. Traders that know it. Nothing's changed, so price is going to correct.
Yeah. We're going to short this top, right?
Price isn't going to get all the way back up there. Price is going to die here in a second. Volatility is going to calm down.
Thanks.
Yep. It's broken out to a new level.
Good, a fish hook. Fish hook on the 1 minute.
It's gonna be an ugly candle with a retrace tomorrow, and then it's completely opposite.
Yeah, because everyone's short from here, man. Like even like earlier too.
Nothing's changed.
This was meant to happen. This is gonna correct. I don't see it doing a double top.
I don't see those candles getting eaten up anytime soon. They're just too big.
Hmm.
Thank you. I just don't see that happening.
What is that? You have a what's your
Broken out. I wouldn't trade against this breakout. It already said it right here. Good long, horrible short. Yeah, it's retracing that long. Go to the 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm not even worried about the NJ
Let me see what the
trade going fucking south. I know it'll come back up.
if it goes all the way back up, if this market goes all the way back up, right, in GBP NZD, I'm ready to go look at NU. Oh, hold on. That's going to
You're
be correct.
selling it.
I'm going to NU right now. I'm buying it. What are you talking about?
And you?
I'm going to go see what's going on in NU. Much divergence after the day closes tomorrow. It's going to be a shitty week. NZD USD is going to climbing back up. I'm seeing price level if we broke. We did break down the new price level. The weekly candle.
Mm-hmm.
Broke down again. I don't know. I think we're fucking headed all the way back down.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense to get there, but we're selling. The move that we're looking for is just not there yet. Voided out in the market. What the fuck is that?
Fucking wild. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't do that with my $300 account. I pretty much leveled my fucking $50 account, but that's okay.
What'd you do? Did you click the button? You clicked the button, didn't you?
No, I hit orders.
Oh.
And I was already in the NU trade, so I had a .03 in there. And it went 200 pips north with a .03. Yeah, fucking level.
You're just too close to the market.
It margined me, but because I had the gold trade and everything in there, which I just closed, my gold trade was at $17. So I'm okay. I'm at my balance is $26. I want to trade this back down. I'm waiting for this to give me a fucking reason.
Give me a reason. Watch this. .02 in there.
There's the reason.
Oh. Or you hit it on the market. That order's got stuck. You draw down already.
Huh?
It's got an order pending. I'm looking at price right here.
Let me, fucker. Was it gonna let me do a 2? Nope.
Got too many orders already in the market. Look at that. It's
Give me
not,
a 1. That's all I
look,
get.
it's not even
That's all I
let,
get,
it's not
Kory.
letting us see when the market, when they're not letting you in the market, they know you're, it's basically because you're right. So this fucking thing's correcting all the way back down.
Yeah, which is why I'm now in with my 0.01. It's not gonna do much, but it's
Look at this
something.
fucking thing. Not gonna rip me.
Yeah, it won't let me in the market. It's saying no.
It's slowly gonna trade all the way back down. Not even worth it.
Don't say that.
Beautiful fucking thing, man.
That was a good lesson.
Don't put orders close to the market. Trade off the hourly chart with the previous hour candles close when you're expecting a very large move.
Yeah.
Everybody looked at it. We're all just like, nope.
My computer froze. my computer
That's what's
couldn't
going on.
even fucking handle it.
Bounced. Where's the new high at? Exchange rates didn't want to be above $2 on GBP/MTD. They stopped out all the shorts.
Yeah, oh yeah, 200 pips.
Clay said, "Bro, I missed it. I'm taking a shit." What Clay said.
Who said that?
Clay Matthews, you know who that is?
Yeah.
He was like, "I missed it. I'm taking a shit." You want our group, Rob? Our Telegram group?
Clay Matthews. Oh, what? The one Telegram group? Yeah, you have to give me an invite to that shit. I
Huh?
don't know who's all in there. Oh, fuck.
Tim, Sean Lloyd. You know who that is? What other people would you know? Garrett Osborne, maybe, or like Trey Norris.
It's insane. They just fucking.
This candle is just fucking.
It's
They're
like 1,000 messages
they're
every day.
eating away at this candle. It's done. And I'm ready to just throw fibs on it just to see it 61.8 reject. And to go back up. And that's disgusting.
You think it's gonna go back up?
No, I think the market just showed us everywhere for the NCD pairs where it doesn't want to be at.
I think it's gonna slam back down, right down to fucking
GBP NCDs.
regular scheduled programming.
No, it's just a clear uptrend too.
Like it's just gonna get like those fucking moves where you just see a huge spike and it comes back down and then it just rolls along. Like look at all these fucking candles before this happened and then it just boom and then comes back down and just gonna.
I've seen that happen before, yeah.
Whole candles get eaten up. I've seen it. That's what I think's gonna happen to this one.
Man, that was epic. Fuck you,
It's not selling anymore. There you go. Figuring this fucking thing out.
Me too. I got out of mine. I lost 5 cents.
Because of the fucking commission.
Oh yeah.
Hilarious. All right. Let's see what's going on here.
I love when the market fucks you like that. It's like
Well, market didn't.
really impressive.
Well, you learn a few things.
That's a big that's a big bank move. So like everyone was net short, and we're like, and they've been net short for a long time on this. You know what I mean?
All day long, everybody was. Because everybody was expecting.
Right.
Everybody was expecting the NZD to do what the Aussie dollar did. Because
They've been pushing.
Because they all follow suit. They follow suit with one or the other. So it's just very strange that in the correlation of this.
It's the banks. It's the fucking. That's what the banks do. They fucking take price strongly the other way and fuck you.
Well, the central banks
That's exactly what they do, and then they go, okay, now we're good. Absolutely, now they're like we're good now. Now we're gonna short this fucker, and they'll take it down to fucking new lows. You watch.
Yeah, the NZD USD was definitely corrective.
You know what's my billions?
NZD USD.
Like, and they're
Yeah, they dropped that bitch.
right at the tip. What's the number? It's 2 right on the dot. Like it hit $2 right on the fucking nose, and then rejected hard. That's crazy.
All right.
It's never been that high. Oh yeah, it has. So now we measure that move, and I'm assuming. Oh, I don't have my fucking thing set properly. Shit. That's a 79 touch.
All right. I'm done for the night, fellas. I ain't got shit to do now. Netflix and chill with myself.
I think we're all done for the night.
Yeah, I'm finna knock out here. I'm gonna get up early. Trade the overlap.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing too.
What time you normally get up? About 5?
Yeah.
I'm getting out of this GN trade.
Yeah.
I'm done.
What's coming up for news for 8 a.m.?
Yeah, I'm done. All right, fellas, have a good one. Jumping off.
All right, brother.
Take care. That was fucking insane.
That was pretty nice. It says your network bandwidth is low.
Oh yeah, probably. Everything's fucking low, man. That fucked everything up.
Wait, are you on like Wi-Fi or are you on like a Verizon like little? Like
No, I'm on Wi-Fi. I should have hardlined it though.
I got you.
My fault.
Oh, you're good. I'm in my little lab. My little. It's basically a pen testing lab. Essentially, it could be used as that if you wanted to. You know what pen testing is?
No.
Penetration testing. It's like you're trying to hack into a network, like you're like hired to do it. Hack into a network and expose all the holes and vulnerabilities.
Really? Yeah. Look. It's a perfect fucking 79 touch, man. Like, fuck.
You in that short? I know, dude. I saw it, dude. I'm like looking at the M1, and dude, it like was a fat candle. I was like, dude, it's got to correct. And like,
I
I'm looking to
fucking
find the man right now.
fucking should have seen that coming from a fucking.
I know, dude. God damn it. And hey, at least
It's a short now.
like, every one of these news events, dude, like we're getting better at this shit and like learning how this works. And what helps me a lot is
except for the fact I keep fucking frying my accounts. You know, I'm really glad it was my fucking shitty account.
Right.
Like it wasn't. It's not my shitty account, but it's.
Remember how Clay said, you know, it's not about how accurate you are. It's that your winners are bigger than your losers. Like, and I've kind of had to like rewire my brain into thinking that, because I would have like 9 or 10 wins in a row and then fry my account on like 1 loss. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah, that's what just happened. That's what just happened to me.
Yep. So it's you know, I've had to just like you know, get used to being wrong and knowing when I'm wrong and knowing when to get out when I'm wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm getting a lot better at that too. Knowing when to get out. That's important.
Waiting on UCAD to fall off the table.
Hang on, it's coming.
Are you short UCAD?
UCAD? Yes.
Mm.
Or am I? I don't know. Hang on. Let me see. Let it load. This is my big account, so it's taking a while to load. In a long while.
You're still recording also. That's might be why it's slow.
True. I guess I could stop that, eh?
Stop recording. It'll go a little faster.